Hi there, and welcome back to Stubbs Aquatics. I hope everyone's had a great summer. I can't believe the weather we're currently having. In fact, this is late September, and this is probably the nicest September I can ever remember. See, in central Ontario, Canada, well, September is usually pretty rainy, and well, it's a little on the chilly side. We've had lovely weather, as in mid 20s, and it's all throughout the month. In fact, it's supposed to carry on into the next couple weeks and the first week of October, which is, well, pretty much unheard of. That's going to be a huge benefit for the koi going into a long winter. Just that little extra time to feed and bulk up. I'm hoping not to bulk up. How do you like the digs here, eh? I think the newness is coming out of this hoodie. Had to cut the sleeves off because there was nothing but holes. And my wife's probably going to say, why would you wear that in public? Well, I'm not really in public. I'm at home. Well, and for anyone who's watching on YouTube. Plus, from what I hear, distress clothing is still in. In fact, I looked it up because I didn't know what it was called. And apparently, distress hoodies or jumpers are all the rage for 23, 24. So, dear, I'm in fashion right now. I can't remember the last time I ever heard that. So let's take a look around at the ponds and see how they're doing. The fish are certainly happy, and so am I. Sometimes I just forget to tell people that. Ponds themselves are nice and clear. The temperature is about 14.4 degrees Celsius, which in my world is still about 58 degrees Fahrenheit. That means I can still feed them. They're slowing down quite a bit, but still pretty active and still wanting food, which is going to be great because then they can, like I said, put on some size for the winter. And what I also like about the cool weather is that sumi really comes up, and the black, especially in the sheros, really starts to pop. It's funny how cold water or cooler water really intensifies the black. I'm sure someone who knows a lot more about coloration and koi can tell me why, but I think it's pretty cool. Wish they stayed that color all year. Because that black is definitely intense right now. That Shiro's coming along nicely. There's a couple that, well, they kind of washed out and will probably get moved on, but you can't tell already I really like Shiro's. That would be Shiro Utsuri. And for other people who aren't really into the koi, uh, basically, in layman's term, black and white. Basically, black with white. And my upper pond, they're doing really well. The temperature's about the same. Certainly happy that I can keep the filtration running. Uh, I'm usually having to shut most of it down by now, just because the water's getting too cold. But not this season. So I'm going to take advantage of that and give these guys a good feed. Now I'm giving them a lot less food this time of year. They are still getting fed twice a day, but not quite as much. They did put on some great growth this year. I certainly can't complain about that. Look at that sumi. Still not long getting rid of this food. Loving how active they still are. Don't you just love that sound of the running water? You can listen to that all day long. But I wouldn't get my housework done. Laundry day today. Even my male Shubunkins are still out and still actively feeding. I'll probably have to bring them in. Well, I said a month ago that I'd be bringing them in now, but it's still looking like I'll get another at least 3 to 4 weeks of growth out of these guys, which will definitely help them over the winter. They put on some really great coloring by being outside this long. It's all the natural feed. I can listen to that running water all day long, like I said. Another couple months, I won't be able to see these guys at all because it'll be all frozen over, so I'm definitely taking advantage of this while I can. And apparently so are they. The sun is so low in the sky at this time of year. It's after lunch and, well, that's as high as the sun's getting. He's not even clearing those trees. I can't believe it's still in the 20s right now. I said, I'll take it. For you lucky southerners that get that virtually most of the year, you're lucky. And what are you doing here, mister? Did I invite you? Well, you're welcome to stay here, because I know you eat mice. So, have at her. Stay as long as you want. Can't believe my bog filters are still green and, well, they're doing their job. This is great. Skimmer's still working full blast. 2 pumps running under there right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this relatively short video. Basically just a September update. Wow, I can't say enough about this great weather. This is just amazing. I'll take this. The only unfortunate part about this weather is, one, really going to miss it when it's gone, and two, the major one is, well, the Great Lakes will be warm, which means when winter hits, they won't be frozen over, and we're going to get dumped on like crazy for snow. The snow is going to be, well, snowmageddon here, I think, this winter. But like I said, these guys here will have had an extra month and a half of good solid feed to give them that much more strength to go into that long winter. Well, thanks everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, think about subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, and well, it would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you real soon. Bye for now.